Locks her hair in golden waves, walking strong and being brave. Takes a sip of gin, I swear. When I grow up, I'll be like her. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes again. Knows exactly what she wants. Fancy places, restaurants. Moving past, I kiss the air. When I grow up, I'll be like her. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes again. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes again. Get to know the world, and if I listen, I will learn. Only one thing I don't fully understand. She kinda likes me, but she bloody hates the band.
Gusto ng horseback riding dito na. Sarap din ng horseback kasi nag-elephant. Yan. Natry ko na kasi niyang i-touch. Gusto niyang i-touch.
Ano, ready ka na bang mag ATV tour?
Yes. 2 hours din.
2 hours.
So, tapos ako lang ang driver.
Magandang
kasi
view.
Of
course.
So, ako lang magdadrive. So,
Back and forth ka dyan. 4 hours ka magdadrive.
Ikaw yung passenger princess. Ako naman yung driver.
Okay.
Tapos, ikaw taga-video.
Okay. Let's wait and see.
Marunong naman ikaw sa video, sa camera.
Oo.
Good.
Okay?
Yeah. Favorite color?
Purple.
Di ba pa yung blue?
Yan ang color ng Jurassic Park.
Jurassic. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jurassic location kung saan siya nito ng
Jurassic and Godzilla.
So, ito na, binigyan na kami ng helmet. And, ang tawag sa ganito.
Goggles.
Siya magagaggles. Ako hindi kasi may meta. Glass. Tatry ko rin ito. Tapos, ano tawag sa ganito? Bandana. I don't know how tawag. Pero yun. Okay, let's get ready, guys. Like this, oh. Like this and like this. Like this and like this. Umangungo ako dito. So ano na, excited ka na? Kahit passenger princess. Sayang gusto niya sana mag-drive pero hindi siya makapag-drive. So ako na lang muna. Let's go!
Lots and lots of fun. We're gonna make 3 different stops where we can hop on out, we're gonna talk story a little bit, take some cool photos, and then keep cruising. Alright? Sound good to everyone? Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect. I have the video in 4 different languages. Just raise your hand when I call your language, okay? I have it in English. Perfect. I have it in Korean. Perfect. I got you guys. I have it in Mandarin, Chinese. I have it in Japanese as well. You guys see? Perfect. So we'll do English. We'll do Korean. I think he's got it. And then Nihongo at the bottom. Kyle take you down.
At all times, inside the vehicle. Seatbelts must be properly secured in the lock button before driving. Please make sure the doors are properly secured. If your UTV is sputtering or not moving, check to see if your parking brake is completely disengaged. Drivers are not allowed to take any photos while driving. Do not stop or slow down to take photos to ensure safety for our guests at Coolor Ranch. Not following our rules and regulations or instructions of your guides.
Out here. But it's gonna work like this. So I'm gonna be in vehicle 1, 2, 3, and 4 are gonna be following right behind me. He's gonna be in vehicle 5 with 6, 7, and 8 following right behind him. So just do what we do. If we slow down, you guys slow down. If we speed up, you guys speed up. If we hit certain potholes, make sure to hit those same potholes, alright?
Oh!
Alrighty. Head on over to that white gate and then we'll get loaded up.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Hey, ready. First time ko mag-drive ng
UTV.
UTV. It's really fun. Yay!
Tapos triple deck of balik.
Shoutout Kawasaki. Tatlo, 1, 2. Sunod-sunod.
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. No?
Just remember, no touch on the gear shifter right here. This one, I just leave it in high drive the whole time. And then stay nice and close to me.
Okay,
Like 5 to 6 feet in between.
So, don't...
No need to mess with that at all. Like I said, high drive the whole tour.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
there's the
you.
e-brake on our stops.
Okay.
You can pull that down. But yeah, thank you guys.
Thanks.
Thank you. Saan ka pupunta sa dinosaur?
Sa Dinosaur World.
Go!
We're moving.
May picture pa. Yay!
Wow.
Okay ba ang
Oo,
pagdadrive?
lubak-lubak, hindi na.
Lubak-lubak.
Ay, hindi.
Ha?
Spirit. Wow.
Dito tayo sa 4 hectares ba? Farm?
4
Farm.
hectares.
Yan. Nice.
Wow. Hey, Meta.
Ganda.
Ah.
Wow, lubak-lubak nga lang.
Yeah.
Nice. Saan ka pa? Dito lang sa Hawaii. Nice.
Hours na.
So, ito na ka. Diba? So nice lang. Enjoy life. While you can. Hindi puro stress sa buhay. So, yan. So, this is Hawaii, guys. We're in Koala Ranch. At si Sir ang ating driver ngayon. Hindi daw ako pwede mag-drive. I'm the passenger princess. At meron din sila mga horseback riding. Ganda dito! Try it! It's really fun. they call this one, but it's part of the ranch. It's not a mountain.
You doing good, buddy? You doing good? I like your shade. Shy. It's all good. Alright, bring it in. Nice and close so I don't have to yell inside. Perfect. One big family, right? Awesome. Welcome to the first stop, guys. Hi, drivers. You guys doing okay? If there's ever any issues with your vehicle, wave your hands out the window. We'll stop, help you figure it out real quick, okay? My passengers, blink twice if you're nervous. I got you guys. Okay, not mine. All right, breathe in. You're gonna breathe in all of the peace and the love and the healing that's in this valley, right? Reset that mind a little bit. Have fun for the next 2 hours, all right? So I'm gonna face the valley. Everyone face the valley. Right on the other side of the tree line by those small trees. So open the floodgates for Hollywood. They came back under the name. I'll break it down for you guys. This one's called Pu'u'o Hule Hule. Okay. Everyone say Pu'u.
Poo.
Oh. Hule
Oh.
Hule. Hule Hule.
Ule ule.
Going for crashing waves or clashing tides. If you use your imagination a little bit, mana mana, and this is what I'm going to talk about here in a minute. There's big waves that come together, crash there in the back.
1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2. Isa pa. Tumunog na tayo. Yeah. Jump shot. 1, 2. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Acting like you're running this way.
1, 2, 3.
I love it. So fun. Okay. Oh yeah. That is sweet. Thank you. Awesome. Right over.
Thank
I
you.
got you guys. Right over here. Yeah, let's take some family photos and then we can get some silly ones.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 45 whole valley. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna have you guys. Face this way. Super scared. Look over your shoulder. Terrified, alright? I'll see you at the dinosaur in 3, 2, 1, action!
Yan, so nandito kami ngayon sa Mount Ranch and Mountain and then yeah,
It's the valley.
it's the valley. Ang ganda guys. Nakaka-relax. Yan, diyan kami lahat. We're here. Naka-tour kami at naka-ATV, UTV. Ayan, sa likod. Ganda ng mountain sa likod. Go. Ano yun? Malika mo.
Ito na daw ang maalikabok na part sa ano na to, sa ano bang tawag dito, trekking. We're going uphill.
Diesel pa mo.
Diesel. Mahal daw ang gasolina ngayon. Pero, hindi sila nagtitipid dito. Wow, nice. Oh, nasa uphill ka na.
Yeah, ganda.
Up.
Traffic kasi may gumagawa.
Road is closed.
Alam mo yung parang
Construction is
Alam mo yung
ongoing.
parang yung chongo siya, yung gorilla. Yung itsura.
Ay, nakita akong gorilla. Ayun o.
Ni? Wow.
Ganda lang ng weather. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Mahangin siya dito dahil siguro malapit siya sa ocean, sa beach. Are you still okay driving?
Having
sabi nila. Family daw to ng pineapple na pag kinain mo, you will feel very full. And may mga bunga siya. Ayan. But, it's really awful daw. Hey, may mga cows sila. Ayan. Family of cows.
Dami pala nila eh.
Oh my God. Ayan pa, ang dami nila. At ang dami nila. Ang daming cows. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Our herd is calving. Nice one.
Yan kung George in the jungle dyan.
George in the jungle daw. Ito siya.
Journey to.
Journey to film location. That's the film location.
Meron pa doon. Sana.
So finding Mohana.
Film
This is the
location.
film location. Ayan, so pataas na po kami. Going back to Honolulu. Like a Maui. Maui, Maui.
Ito ng kilikili.
Ayan, going up na kami. Papalik na kami. Going back to Honolulu. Maui. Maui. Nice. Enjoy na enjoy si Sir.
Ang view eh.
Tama po. What are them?
Parang wild pig. Yung
Um,
ano pig nila dito.
pig.
Hakuna
Parang
Matata.
ano siya? Native pig. So, yeah.
Pumunta tayo dun later. Dito ginanap yung helicopter.
Now, if you do want to try them, we have them at the farmer's market right down the ways. You can, if they're in stock, just grab some, chuck them on the spot, try them out, let me know. I'm good. I'll just watch you enjoy it, guys, okay? We've also got contact with bonefish on the Barracuda truck.
I like it.
Hep hep hooray!
Ano, pababa.
Oh my God, pababa naman kami. Oh my God! Napakakitid ng daan. Very challenging mag-drive, pero nag-enjoy naman si Sir.
Next time ikaw na. Ito ng puno. Oh.
Like,
We love nature.
yeah, you should love the nature. So, papunta kami ngayon sa kung saan daw shoot yung Jurassic Park na film. So, dito na yon, malapit na siya. Diyan, sinut daw yung Jurassic Park na film. Ayan.
Dito sinot.
Ang
Yung mga manok. So, nandito tayo sa Pineapple Farm. Sa Dole ba to? Dole. 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 Yeah.
dapat doon tayo pumunta.
Yeah. Hindi dun binibili sa loob. Ewan ko ba't meron din dito. Ganun. Kaya papasok tayo sa loob. Oh, the Dole Plantation.
I don't know, but help me. Don't pull it. Help me take it off.
Mamaya tayo magpa-picture sa paglabas. On duty. Order. Oh, I like this one. Cute. Parami ka pala mabibili dito.
Ang ganda din ng pineapple.
65. So, nandito kami sa Dole Plantation. So, tingin na naman sa nagandang pasalubong. Cute. May tinatawag ng Jurassic Pineapple. Ang cute. Aloha. Ano yan? Pineapple.
Soft jelly.
Ayoko ng cane. Gusto ko yung talagang pineapple.
Body lotion. Pero
Pineapple. Di mag-aamoy pineapple ka. Aloha. Mag-aamoy pineapple ka. Ito na yung sikat na bag. Trader's Joe. Pero dito, Hawaii Joe. May pineapple. I like this.
peanut
Butter.
butter juice. How much?
Cute nung ka. Kapihan ko. Mas mahal. Ay, may free taste dun.
You need a bag for 25 cents, yes. Hold up that, grab it where you can. And then the top of the screen for you. Let me take it.
Aloha. Good.
kayo galing?
Vancouver po.
Vancouver, galing ko yan. Ako ng isang nakipag-compete sa robotics.
Oh. Okay.
Ito 50 na to.
Mas malusa. Walang Hello Kitty dito, puro pineapple. Ay no, may Hello Kitty pero pineapple. Ano ko pineapple? Yung Hello Kitty. All Hello Kitties. Na nagkakahalaga siya na $28. Ang liit-liit lang niya. Too small. Mas parang hindi maganda yung totoong Hello Kitty ba? Hindi. Soft serve ice cream. Pineapple. Sugar. Yung pag-minuto ko lang. Sure, right? Lasang pineapple. Alam na. Alam na talaga. Sarap. Masarap, no? Grabe. So, nandito kami sa Dole Plantation. So, yun, tinatry namin to. Kasi ito yung sikat sa Hawaii. So, pag pumunta kayo dito, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo dadaan dito. Saka yung kanyang pineapple talaga masarap. It's really good. Sa akin yung ice cream, sa kanya yung pineapple. Okay, dyan. Anong pineapple yan? Same lang.
Welcome to Dole Plantation.
Ayun yung pineapple na maliliit din. Pineapple na maliliit.
Na may?
Maliliit. Yan. Ito iba to. Pineapple din yata. Yan. Oh. Liit na pineapple.
McGregor. What is this Philippines?
Oh. McGregor pala. Philippines. So sa Philippines sa talaga, ano? Ano yung pineapple to may kulay nito?
Come on this way, sweetie.
Ito nga namatay. Namatay na ba yan? Patay na.
The origin of pineapple.
Originated in Paraguay.
Ano tsura mo? Mga pictures mo. Ba? So, anong gagawin? Plant? Growing.
Forcing. Red bud. Then flowering. Development and harvest. Each plant produces 3 fruit harvests.
For 18
The first
months.
at 18 months. The second is first ratoon, 32nd months, and the last second ratoon at 45 months.
Tagal. Yeah, it's too low. The plantation. Too many kois. we have 50 cents. Nakakatuwa, ang dami nag-aabang. Ang dami nag-aabang na isda na may magpakain sa kanya. Oo nga, pero wala akong coins eh. Dahil nag-aabang na isda Ready na silang kumain.
Naming koi.